Welcome, fellow coding enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on a captivating exploration of if-else statements, the backbone of decision-making in programming. Imagine them as the architects of your code, guiding it through a labyrinth of possibilities and outcomes. Let's start our journey with a foundational example. Let's type x equals 10. If x greater than 5. Print x is greater than 5. Else, print x is not greater than 5. Here we introduce a variable x and employ an if-else statement to evaluate whether it exceeds the value of 5. If x is indeed greater than 5, a corresponding message is echoed, otherwise, an alternative response is provided. To make this clearer, a flowchart is shown alongside the code to help visualize the decision-making process. Now, what if our code needs to navigate through multiple potential scenarios? Let's add the elif statement. Now type y equals 0 if y greater than 0. Print y is positive. Elif y less than 0. Print y is negative. Else, print y is 0. With elif, our code gains the ability to handle diverse situations with grace. It inspects whether y is positive, negative, or 0, tailoring its output accordingly. This flexibility empowers programmers to craft more nuanced and responsive applications. Now, let's delve deeper into the intricacies of decision-making with nested if-else statements. Start typing. Number equals 25. If number is greater than 0. Print number is positive. If number %2 equals 0. Print number is even. Else, print number is odd. Else, print number is not positive. The modulus operator, denoted by the percentage mark, returns the remainder of the division of two numbers. In this captivating example, we witnessed the concept of nesting come to life. Within the realm of positivity, our code further scrutinizes whether number is even or odd, revealing the layers of decision-making complexity that can be achieved. Nested statements like these enable programmers to craft intricate logic structures to tackle a wide array of scenarios. Lastly, let's apply our newfound understanding to a real-world scenario. Let's type real username equals admin. Real password equals 12345. Username equals input, enter your username. Password equals input, enter your password. If username equals real username and password equals real password. Printf string, login successful. Welcome, username. Elif username equals real username. Print incorrect password. Please try again. Else, print incorrect username. Please try again. Here, we simulate a practical login system where user input is validated against predetermined credentials. This example showcases the real-world applicability of if-else statements, demonstrating how they can be used to create user-friendly and secure authentication systems. Understanding if-else statements is not just about grasping syntax, it's about mastering the art of decision-making in programming. So, dive deep into these examples, experiment with them in your projects, and unlock the true potential of your code. If you found this exploration enlightening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy coding!